Nongaiktien ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Meghalaya uba Mariam Kharkrang ulapen pawi ka Khluit ikilat pathai Khubor lor ki khaipot Khubor baki Nongtrei ka party hi bonaki kim sngoy hap ne pidyang ye ka rai ban ai Kyrshan ki kertong ka National People's Party NPP ka election MP Shalok Sabha na Shillong bat Tura parliamentary constituency ka nege jingpen paw Khluit ba Kharkrang ka Nongaiktien baula tuklar ban jubab ika jingkli nikilat pathai Khubor yo state president ka BJP Meghalaya Urik Manji Momin Halor ka jingdawa ki nongket kam ka BJP bo Deban eno ekakam state president ba Kharkrang lokno bikilat pathai Khubor bakide ban pinmi lang ya ki kerteng jongki badawa ya ka bakilat pathai Khubor kilaong bakadei ya ka party ban penshai Halor kani ka jingi kran bakilai pathai Khubor da kitei ki he BJP kala long hadien ka jingelang jongki pat kinong yalam ka NPP haga jingi ron lang Conrad ke sangma national president ka NPP ban yakran Halor karai Kyrshan ka party ye ki kertong ka NPP haga janmiet jong ka laipo trek uluber arjar opsaw hapainwood.
We have active Karikata BJP meeting in which our honorable Chief Minister has come, and with his full support we have our own Karikatas that will be supporting fully to NPA candidate. Everyone wants Narendra Modi to become a Prime Minister again. So naturally, people will vote for Narendra Modi ji for the third term.
Will BJP central leadership will campaign for NPP here in the state?
That hasn't been informed to me right now. After or during this election also, I think they're going to be some joining program will be there to BJP.
But many BJP leaders are, in fact, they are not happy with, even BJP workers are not happy with you, and even there is a demand for your resignation.
Yes, of course. But the thing is that since they have worked hard day and night with me, naturally they thought that it's my responsibility for not getting the candidate. But it's a central decision which I cannot defy.
So, what do you think about their demand for your resignation? What do you think?
It's up to the central leader decision. If I am supposed to quit, I will quit. I'll go according to the central decision.
Can I answer that?
Yes.
No. You see, I really don't understand why you all are racking up this issue of resignation again and again. In fact, just recently I had already given a press statement. We had already clarified that these are few people, disgruntled elements of the party. You know, and President himself had called up all the Mandal presidents and they said no. We have not given such a press release now. So that's why I requested the press also next time they bring up these kind of stories, kindly mention the name of the BJP worker who has given the press statement. You know, because it's not right. It's not really right, you know.
Instead of pointing at fingers at the press, is not the work of the BJP leadership to address these issues. Why?
That's why we are addressing. That's why we're having this meeting today.
No, we did not receive any press release. No, sorry.
Regarding what?
We did not receive any press release, but there are things that it is said that a lot of people are unhappy. So we just want to know the clarification.
See, I'll tell you one thing. It is very natural for the workers to be unhappy at the initial stage. Okay. So that is why President himself, in fact now next stop will be in Kyrwoh Hills. He'll go to the Kyrwoh Hills and meet up the party workers over there and explain to them. You see, so what I'm trying to say is, you know, we are racking up the issue again and again. In fact, it has already subsided. Now the workers have become composed now. They have already become composed. They have agreed and they have, you know, like since this is the directions has come from the High Command, they have agreed to it. So the thing is, now, you know, from here, let's move forward, you know. Because that demand for resignation, few people from our party demanding for resignation. And I'm telling you, if you bring out the names, you will find out they are some of the disgruntled elements from the party.
Sir, will the central leaders of BJP will come for the NPP candidate?
We really don't know. We don't know. We have not got anything.
No information.
No information.
Habatien, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus f ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus f menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.